What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Here is an exciting update for you guys. If you're living in India and Poland, you might have received the One UI 9 beta on your Galaxy S26 series. Yes, today is the day for these countries. Already US, UK, Germany and a couple of more countries have already got One UI 9 beta 1. Here this is beta 1, but this is basically beta 2 in India and Poland. So let me go to the settings here, tap on the software update and check for updates. The update is ready. It is already installing. It says One UI 9 beta. Welcome to the One UI 9 beta, your chance to take an early look at the latest version of One UI 9. One UI 9 brings you exciting new features as well as upgraded personalization, productivity and security. Now this will not automatically pop up on your software update page. What you need to do is first go to the members application, Samsung members app, and here you will see this banner beta program. If it is available in your region and on your phone, just tap on the banner and here you will have an option to join. Just tap on that and enroll yourself. Since I have already enrolled, I'll be able to withdraw from this update. I have already joined One UI 9 S26 beta. Now, once you enroll, once it says join, you can go back to the settings and tap on software update and tap on check for updates. The update will be available right there on your phone. Just go ahead and install it. And if your device is primary, then I would suggest you to back up your phone, your WhatsApp, your gallery and everything. Just back it up and then install the beta. Generally, nothing happens, but if you're really unlucky, then you might lose all the data. You might have to format your phone. So that is in rarest of the rarest cases. However, I would suggest you to back up your phone. Now it's downloaded and installation process is getting completed here. You can see the size is huge. It's 3760.28 MB. The security patch level is the latest one. That's for the month of June. Not even for May. Even though we are in May, we have already got the security patch for the month of June, which is fantastic. And the version number ends with ZZEQ and the Android version is 17. Now look at this. This looks beautiful, isn't it? This page is just amazing. We have got that gradient effect on One UI 9 text. And I have already applied the color palettes, the green color palette. So this is how it's looking right now with the color palette. But otherwise you might get a blue button here. But this page, guys, this just look amazing. Now let me just tap on all changes here. It's not a big list, it's a very small list that we have here. We've got more customization to Quick Panel. You can now rearrange and customize the controls in your Quick Panel. Samsung Dex enhancements, it's easier to move an app window from one desktop to another using the menu at the top of the window. Then we have got Do More with Notes, the new tape feature, which we have already discussed. And we have got more settings in Game Booster panel. And we have got location access transparency, discover new accessibility features, text spotlight for easier reading and physical keyboard shortcuts, mouse keys enhancements, replace swipe with single tap, select to speak, improved talkback updates. So this is focusing more on the accessibility features and there are some changes here, some new features and there will be some important UI changes as well, which I will discuss with you guys in detail in a separate video. Now let me just go ahead and restart the device and let me show you whether the device is performing fine, whether you can go ahead and update your device or not. I will come back to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, the phone has been updated. This is the welcome page with One UI 9.0 mentioned. Let me tap on start. It is taking me to the Galaxy AI page. It's the same call assist, writing assist, interpreter, note assist, transcript assist. It's all the same. There is nothing new here. Let me tap on next. You are all set up. See what's new. Let me tap on what's new here. It just takes me to help improve One UI page. There is nothing more mentioned over here. Let's go back. Let's go to home. Now let's give it some time to settle down, maybe a minute or two. Now the phone did heat up a bit, which is normal. You don't have to worry when you are updating your phone. Generally it heats up and the temperature increases mainly on the top portion of your phone. So that's something normal. Don't have to worry about it. Now let's go ahead and open a few applications and see if there is any lags or stutters. That's very important. Generally in beta, you will see a lot of bugs. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let's start with the application tray. Is there any stutter here? I don't think so. Let's open Quick Panel. Smooth. The notification panel, smooth, no issues at all. And you can already see here the brightness bar and the volume bar is pretty thick and the toggle and the bar are now separated. Now this is something new on One UI 9. Otherwise the background effect and everything is same. Now let me go ahead and open a few applications. Let's start with the calendar app, camera application, clock, Animation seems to be fine, no issues. Let's go to phone dialer, gallery, calculator. Now let's go to the recents application. Let's see if there is any stutter here. Nope, it seems to be fine. Let's close all of them. So far so good, the phone is doing fine. The first thing now you need to do is go to the Galaxy Store, tap on updates. You will find loads of updates here for the system applications. So you'll have to go ahead and update all these applications. Let's see if there is any new change. Fixed bugs here, calendar fixed bugs, reminder, seamless split screen viewing for attached links for foldables or tablet devices only. We've got clock, improved and stabilized some features, calculator, expert raw, virtual reflector and ocean modes are added. This was added some time back. Samsung semantic core, very important update. You need to make sure that you update semantic core here. And sound assistant has also got an update, nothing new here. This module should be updated with some new features soon because this is getting redundant. I hope the GoodLock team adds some new features on the sound assistant and register and a few more GoodLock modules. So the first thing, go ahead and update all the applications, and you can also check the Google Play system update. If there is anything new, go to the security and privacy. It's here. Tap on updates. I can see security update here, but there is no Google Play system update showing up here. Now, probably that has been moved. Let's see where exactly the Google Play system update is. On settings, let's go to about phone, tap on software information. Here, let's tap on Google Play system update. Yep, here we can get the update. You can see the Google Play system update is 1st May 2026. So this is the current Google Play system. All this while I had the April or March or April Google Play system update on my Galaxy S26 Ultra. But now with this beta, I have got the May Google Play system update, which is the latest one. Let me go ahead and check this. Obviously, for the next month, we will be getting the update next month itself. But it's good to see the May update is right here for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, this is about One UI 9, which we have just received on the S26 series. Go ahead, download it if you're here in India and Poland. And for the rest of the countries, unfortunately, the beta testing is not available, so you'll have to wait for the stable version. But I will keep you guys posted about all the new features, tips and tricks, etc. for One UI 9. So stay tuned, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you find this video informative. I'll be posting a detailed video about One UI 9 features, and let's compare it with One UI 8.5 and see what are the differences. And I will continue to post videos on One UI 8.5 as well. So stay tuned for those videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. There are some incredible wallpapers available on the app. Go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.